The new Mercedes-AMG SL, the new edition of an icon, returns to its roots with a classic soft top and sporty character. At the same time, the luxurious Roadster as a 2+2-seater is particularly suitable for everyday use and puts its power down on the road with all-wheel drive for the first time. High-tech components such as the AMG ACTIVE RIDE CONTROL suspension with active anti-roll stabilisation, rear axle steering, the optionally available AMG ceramic high-performance composite brake system and the standard-fit digital light with projection function sharpen the sporty profile. In combination with the AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, this results in a driving experience of the highest order. Characteristic features of the body design are the long wheelbase, the short overhangs, the long bonnet, the passenger compartment set back with a strongly raked windscreen and the powerful rear end. This results in the typical SL proportions. Together with the voluminously sculpted wheel arches and the large alloy wheels flush with the outer skin, they give the Roadster its powerful, dynamic appearance. When closed, the seamlessly integrated soft top underscores the purest, sporty impression. The AMG-specific radiator grille emphasizes the effect of width of the front and, with its 14 vertical slats, cites the ancestor of all SL models, the legendary 300 SL racing sports car of 1952. Other distinctive design elements include the slim, sharply outlined digital light LED headlamps and the equally extremely slim LED rear lamps. The interior of the new AMG SL transforms the tradition of the first 300 SL Roadster into the modern era. The new edition perfectly combines sporting virtues and luxury. Fine materials and meticulous workmanship underline the standard of the highest level of comfort. The cockpit design, right down to the adjustable central display in the center console, is focused on the driver. At the same time, the completely new interior space concept with 2+2 seats offers more room and functionality than before. The rear seats increase the daily practicality and offer space for people up to 1.5 meters tall. The minimalist interior of the 300 SL Roadster, equipped with high-quality materials, inspired the designers in the interior design of the new model. The result is an exciting combination of analog geometry and digital world, called hyperanalog. This is exemplified by the fully digital instrument cluster, which is integrated into a three-dimensional visor. The standard MBUX infotainment system offers a choice of several specific display styles and different modes. One of many highlights in the interior of the new SL is the sculptural seat design of the standard, electrically adjustable AMG Sport seats. The head restraints are integrated into the backrest and emphasize the sporty character. Perfect ergonomics and various progressive seam and quilting patterns complete the symbiosis of high-tech, performance and luxury. AMG performance seats are available as an option. The engines are assembled purely by hand at the company's site in Affalterbach according to the one-man, one-engine principle. In the top model AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus, the engine develops 585 horsepower and provides a maximum torque of 800 Nm over a wide rev range from 2,500 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. Accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour takes only 3.6 seconds, the top speed is 315 km per hour.